An interpleader action is a court proceeding in which a neutral stakeholder, a party who holds money or property claimed by multiple competing parties, asks the court to determine who is entitled to the assets. For judgment creditors, interpleader arises most commonly in situations where a debtor's assets are subject to multiple competing claims. Here's when and how interpleader affects judgment creditors. The classic interpleader scenario for creditors. A debtor has a bank account, a pending insurance settlement, or proceeds from a real estate sale. Multiple creditors, a first judgment creditor with a lien, a second judgment creditor without a lien, a taxing authority with a priority claim, and perhaps a secured lender, all have competing claims to those funds. The holder of the funds, the bank, the insurance company, the title company, files an interpleader action, deposits the funds with the court, and lets the court sort out who gets what. The benefit of interpleader for the stakeholder. By filing interpleader, the neutral holder is discharged from liability to any of the competing claimants once the funds are deposited with the court. They can't be sued separately by each party claiming the funds. What interpleader means for you as a creditor. Once the interpleader action is filed and the funds are deposited, you become a claimant in the interpleader action. You must file a claim and appear in the proceeding to protect your rights. Your priority in the proceeds depends on the legal priority of your interest, secured versus unsecured, lien versus no lien, priority date of the lien. How to maximize recovery in interpleader. Have your lien interests properly documented and recorded before any interpleader action arises. Lien priority is often the decisive factor. Be prepared to establish the validity and priority of your claim in court proceedings. Understand the applicable priority rules. Federal tax liens, state tax liens, judgment liens, and consensual security interests each have specific priority rules. People locator. Skip tracing investigates debtor assets and lien positions relevant to interpleader proceedings. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to learn more.